慢慢慢，雨梦大，大，mountain，滚正，还是，接着注意。
大家看过，汗水不呼吸了，这就是快，电杆全部吹倒了，气房吹塌了，这就是快。
From July 22 to 24, Gansu experienced its most powerful rainstorm in over 6 decades. This deluge brought immense rainfall across the province, an intensity unseen since 1961. Such historical weather events highlight the severity of climate conditions we are increasingly encountering. The rainstorm's intensity overwhelmed local infrastructure and disrupted daily life in a manner that will be remembered for years to come. The rainstorm did not spare any part of the province, but it had a particularly severe impact on regions including Longdong, Longnan, and Longjong. These areas faced relentless downpours that triggered widespread flooding. The residents of these regions were caught in the throes of nature's fury, as homes, roads, and farmlands were submerged. Emergency services were stretched thin as they struggled to reach and rescue those trapped by rising waters. One of the most dramatic and perilous consequences of the rainstorm was the surging river waters. The heavy precipitation caused rivers to swell rapidly, overwhelming their banks and leading to dangerous conditions. In several areas, the force of the water was so strong that it caused bridges to collapse. These structural failures further complicated rescue and relief efforts, isolating communities and cutting off vital transportation routes. The collapsing bridges symbolize the formidable power of the storm and the urgent need for infrastructure capable of withstanding such natural disasters. The storm's reach was vast, affecting a staggering 192,500 people across 7 cities and prefectures. These included Gannan, Dingxi, Qingyang, Baiyin, Tianshui, Pingliang, and Longnan. Each of these areas experienced varying degrees of flooding and damage, with residents facing the loss of homes, livelihoods, and in some cases, lives. The scale of the impact underscores the widespread nature of the disaster and the extensive response required to aid those affected. Emergency shelters were set up, and local governments coordinated with national agencies to provide immediate relief and support to the displaced populations. The rainstorm inflicted significant damage across multiple cities and prefectures in Gansu. In addition to the human toll, the economic and infrastructural damage is profound. Crops were destroyed, affecting the agricultural sector, which is a backbone for many local economies. Homes and businesses were flooded, leading to financial losses and long-term recovery challenges. Roads and bridges were not only damaged, but in many cases rendered unusable, disrupting transportation and logistics. The aftermath of the storm presents a daunting task for reconstruction and rehabilitation, with efforts likely to span years and require substantial resources. This historic rainstorm in Gansu serves as a stark reminder of the increasing frequency and severity of extreme weather events. The impacts on Longdong, Longnan, and Longjong, the surging rivers and collapsed bridges, and the widespread damage across 7 cities and prefectures illustrate the formidable challenges posed by such natural disasters. As we witness the effects of climate change and extreme weather, it becomes crucial for communities and governments to invest in resilient infrastructure and effective disaster response strategies. Our hearts go out to all those affected by this calamity. The resilience and strength of the people of Gansu are truly commendable as they begin the long road to recovery. We will continue to follow this story and provide updates on the relief and rebuilding efforts. Thank you for watching and staying informed.